G'day guys, how you going? At one of my customers' houses, and yeah, finished fixing some taps. I said, hey, do you want me to check out, just do a quick plumbing inspection around the house? Do you have any issues? And they went, nah, it all seems pretty good, you know. But I'll show you this. This is their kitchen sink, okay? So the taps are reckoned about 3 years old or something. And check out underneath what I found here, right? Check out that flexi, all rusted all the way up, right up there. You see that's where there's been a bit of water coming in. And these are, you know, that would be maybe a couple of weeks before busting. Look at that one. That's a shocker, right? And the one on the cold looks like it's been replaced pretty recently. So I don't know why you just don't do both at the same time. But you can just imagine, you know, if that bust when they weren't home. Look at this flooring, all beautiful, you know, flooring throughout the whole house. You know, all that would have been swollen up, you know, for a $12 part, you know. So if you have a plumber who comes out, you know, get us out there or whatever. Always good if we offer to have a look around, say, yeah, sure, there might be something that we find, and then something like this will save you bucket loads of time and effort. You know, most of the time insurance is going to pay for this stuff, but you don't want to have to, you know, live in a wet house for all this time anyway. So anyway, something to think about it and keep an eye on those things. If you want a plumbing inspection, give us a call and we'll come out and check it out for you. Okay, thanks. Catch you later.